Okay, so it's Saturday, February 3rd, 2024. I thought I'd shoot a quick follow-up video on this taillight patch kit that I installed in September of 2021, I believe. So I had a big crack here, you can see. Bought this thing off Amazon. It's basically like this really thick tape. I slapped it on, and now almost 2.5 years later, it's still there doing the job. I'm actually really surprised about that. So 2.5 years of like rain and sun and everything, and it's really on there. I mean, it's not, I don't feel any gaps or anything on the sides. So I'm really happy with this. And actually what I want to do is just as a reminder, show you what it looked like before. So here it is now. You can see it's kind of yellow. And I still have the remaining tape that I never used. So let's go look at that. Here we are in the old garage. The old tapes in here. C10. So it's Blue Star Auto Lens Repair Kit. This is the clear tape. It says easy cut and paste application, and that's what I remember. Yeah, you just cut it like a big piece of tape, take off the backing and slap it on. Take it out. So here it is. You can see right there, that's the piece I cut out. So I still have a lot left, but hopefully I won't need it. But at 2.5 years later, it's still working really well. So here you can see this is the backing. You can peel this off when you want to use this. But that's what I have left. That's what it looks like. And it's a good deal. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I've got a bunch of other videos dealing with janky car stuff. So check them out if you've got a minute. Bye.